Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Today I'm going to show you a problem I've discovered with my electronic handbrake here. If you could show it here. Something is broken here because when you pull it back you can see that this right section here is rubbing against the top part. Just there, look, you can see a mark. So when you pull it, it's not smooth, just horrible. So I'm going to replace that, and it's actually very easy. So number one, to get the part, Peugeot will cost you about £100 plus VAT. You can get it slightly cheaper from a website called Peugeot Parts Direct, which is about £75. Yeah, £75. But then I searched on good old Amazon, and they do it for £13. So I'm going to give it a go. I'm a bit wary because it's cheap, but let's give it a go because it's really easy to change. Don't just point it there, point at my face as well. People don't want to just see that.
Yeah.
Just, you know, is it still rolling? Yeah?
Yeah.
What you will need is a wallpaper scraper or some sort of flat. Oh.
What the hell just happened there on camera?
Wow. That was my phone holder.
Oh.
Luckily.
What happened there?
Be very careful, people. Should we start again?
Should I just pause it and restart?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna
Call it. And possibly a flat screwdriver. And the most important thing is a cloth, because you don't want to be scratching any of this. Okay, so good old Amazon. Here we go. This is what it looks like. There we go. So, like for like. Again, I am a bit wary of the quality now. Looking at this, very easy to put in. You've got 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it just slots in. Obviously, you've got the connector at the bottom there. So, to take this off, first we're going to start with the trim. I'm going to take this nice silver trim off. It looks very nice, so you definitely do not want to scratch it. This is where this little towel comes in handy. I'm going to put it in there between the gap and just give a bit of leverage, and it should pop off. So I'm going to pop off the silver trim. Oh, it's actually really easy. There you go. Yeah, I think that's off. There we go. How easy is that? So there's the little clips that keep them on. 4 clips. No, this is not metal. This is plastic. The right side here is not clipped in. This is where the flat screwdriver comes in handy. So we're just going to unclip this out. Just the front done. Same at the back here. Bit of a wiggle. There we are. It's up. So just unclip those 4 clips. Then we'll take the electrical connector off. It's very simple. Press here, hold it down, and then pull this clip over. Done. Right, now let's check if it's the same. Can you tell the difference apart from where I've just taken it out? They pretty much look the same, don't they? Yeah, the only one thing I will say is, if you see that little hole there on the aftermarket one, or the dodgy Amazon one if you like, it doesn't quite come out enough. However, it's so cheap that I'll just replace it again if it goes faulty. Where on the original one you can see that it does stick out. However, it is broken. There's the So I can see there's a bit of plastic missing. It should be fixed around that little bit poking out. Here it is, look. So this is what's snapped off. That here, this piece here is basically snapped off, and it should have been like that. And guess who or how that happened? I reckon some kid must have got in this car, changed seats whilst walking over this area here and stepped on the handbrake switch and crack. So enough with the old one, let's put the new one in. See how it works. So clicks in, yep, looks good. There we go. Zoom out for me, please. Now if you want to give this a bit of a hoover, now's the time to do it. Otherwise go ahead and install. Let's see. Yeah, so it's a bit tighter than the other one. That's not too bad actually. No click there, no sound, just however it is in place. Yeah, it's not bad. And that's it. Done. Let's give it a go. Okay, so one thing I was thinking, maybe the light is not going to be as bright, and clearly it's not as bright as original, but it's okay. Yep, no warnings on the dash. Done. Cool, there we go. Let's put this back on. Nice and smooth, isn't it? It's quite nice, scratch free. So I'm just pressing down on this new piece, make sure it's fitted correctly because I don't want it rubbing on this silver trim. And then one whack there. There you go, 2 whacks in this place. Yep, all good. Back to normal. Look at that.